Travis Scott brings earthquake in Italy. It is said that music moves people, but Travis has proved that music can move cities too. So in a recent Travis Scott live show in Milan, which was packed with 80,000 people, and due to these people hopping and dancing, the locals of the city could feel the tremors of the show and see their lawn and house furniture shaking. This incident was also telecasted in news channels where the house furniture and objects can be seen moving. Subscribe to Tequila for more hip hop updates.